Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. Yes, I know. No, my hair is not done. No, hasn't been done since we've been on lockdown. Okay, I'm still in my PJs. This has become like my everyday attire. PJs, cup of coffee, y'all. Living the life, living the life. But I had a question for those who do crochet or knitting. As you guys know, I'm tiptoeing into this new craft and I love it. I love it. Y'all, I'm about to get the camera off of me because I look a hot mess. We not doing this. We not doing this. Oh, I will answer this question real quick because some people were asking how do I put my jewelry or whatever up. Those are actually like a beach, I don't know what to call it. It's not like a beach towel, but it's like something you're supposed to lay down on the sand and then, you know, you're supposed to lay on it. But they are like woven with like some straw. So it's like you can hook your jewelry into it, you know. I got those from my 99-cent store. Bought a bunch of them. Got them hanging up in my daughter's room as well. She uses it. As you see, I got hair bows on the side. Y'all, very versatile. But like I said, I'm about to take this camera off of me, put it on something that I've been working on, and then ask you guys some questions because y'all, I need some help. I want to come in here and do this craft, but I need some help. Okay, well, besides me needing some help, y'all, I broke this yesterday. Like one of the hooks, like it's broke. I gotta replace it because this was actually like a great thing. I loved it. I broke it because I tried to stick this necklace down inside of it while also knitting it. You know, I thought it would be cool if I had, you know, like a whole necklace that was crochet, but y'all, it didn't work that way. Did not work that way at all. All right, so let me move my camera over here, aim it down. Okay, so y'all, I've been making earrings. Now I'm gonna show y'all, these are the first ones that I made by myself. Y'all, okay, so everybody, I've been looking at a ton of videos. Everybody does this their own way, so I really just had to wing this. So y'all, this is my first ones. Please don't come for me. These are my first ones. Okay, so as you see, I actually like chained, you know, like a little spot so that I could put the hook in. Okay, so my question is, like, I don't know how to end these. Like, as you can see, it's got like a little knot right there. Like, I can't stand that. Like, I don't like it. Like, there is a knot right there. Like, I don't know. And then this was the third one that I did. So actually I had put the knot like in the back. That looks a little better, but I'm not sure if I should just take this part off and just go all the way around. But even then, it's like, what do I do? What the heck do I do with that? Like, I don't know. I'm not sure. I really do like these kind. And then I got a little better. And then I did these. Now these I did going all the way around. So maybe, but I do like the little, I like the little hook, you know, I do like the little hook look. So maybe there is a way I can do this without the knot being on the side. I don't know. But right here, I just hid the knot, you know, like at the top, and just hid it because nobody's going to be looking at the hook placement. At least I don't think so. So that's what I did there. But you guys, I want to know, what the heck do I do with the end? Like, what do I do with it? Where is it supposed to go? Where do I hide it? Because these are really, like, these are really cute. And you guys, I was doing these earrings and trying to make a set. And as you can see, none of these match, but they all came from the goddamn same ball of yarn. And I was like, no way I can even wear these or sell these. They don't even look like they match. And then the colors that was coming out next was still something completely different. So I was like, I don't know what the heck I'm about to do. I'm gonna have to do so many of them. But or if you guys can point me in the direction of like a video, or maybe I just shouldn't try to put this hook on here. I don't know. I wanna try to fix this, or you know, master at least this little earring. Like, this one looks a little better, but then I don't know. Maybe I'm just, no, I don't like it. I was gonna say maybe I'm overreacting, but no, I don't like that little thing right there on the side. I don't like it. Don't like it at all. And then, because I'm scared that it might unravel, so when I cut it, I do add like some super glue to it. So it's like rock hard. So I really do want to try. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. Yeah, I need some help, y'all. What do I do with the little end piece? How do I hide it? How do I try to conceal that? Like, I don't know. Or is it not as bad as I'm thinking? No, that's bad. That's bad. It don't look good at all. Like I said, this one I hid in the back, but then I don't think I'd be able to sell it because, like I said, it's hard. Like, it's hard. And I don't know if it would touch your skin, but I mean, if it did, it might, you know, scratch. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. Like, do y'all use glue? Is there, what do y'all do? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I feel like I almost got this down, but I don't know how to end it. Don't know how to end it. So yes, if you guys please help me out with this. Yes, I will be looking at the comments to this video because I need some help ASAP. But if you have any questions or would like me to show you guys, no, I don't even want to show you guys how I do this. Not even until I learn how to finish it. You guys, I need to know how to finish it before I do a video on this because I don't feel like it's good enough yet. It's not there yet. It's almost there, but it's not quite. So I'm going to be in the craft room today trying to figure this out. Nope. You know what? No, I'm lying. I'm not going to figure this out. I'm actually going to put this to the side, and I'm actually going to be doing this. I'm actually going to be doing a bunch of these. Now, these I feel like I'm mastered. These I feel like are fine and can sell, you know, as is. These, I'm putting these to the side till I get some feedback because I need some help. And, you know, I need to pray to Lord Jesus on those. Those need some things, some healing. But these I feel like are pretty good. So I'm good to go with these. So I'm actually just going to sit and make probably a bunch of these today. And yeah, my day will be successful. So if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to. Now I could do a video on those. I could. Well, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.